Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Last day of school.
That's the of school, Jewel. Pagod ka ba? Are you tired?
Yeah.
What? Why?
Because
What
I
happened?
learn a lot of things because Miss Martin said I gonna learn a lot of things and make my windmill better.
Oh, that's it. That's good news. Santa Claus is here in your school this morning. Santa Claus, really?
Santa Claus is in my school, but you didn't see it.
Mm-hmm. How many days wala kang pasok? 17 days.
17 days?
Huh?
That's a lot. I gonna miss my friends.
No, man. It's alright.
Imagine your teacher.
I can't miss Nico because he's my best friend.
Okay.
I want to go to school more times.
Okay, let's go to Nico home. It's not far for us, right?
That's
Malapit lang.
well, because I need to keep it because it's mine.
What else?
They also have this for Santa Claus. I give this as school for Santa Claus, and Santa Claus said I can have this. And I also got a few. Oh, show me how to do my
Funny face? What's that? Oh, funny face pa. Keychain? What's that? Look.
It's a different one.
Mm-hmm.
It's
It's holiday na.